Hey, welcome back to another video for the Chevy Nova build vlog. Today we're going to be looking at the frame and the front end. The frame and a lot of those pieces came off the original Nova that we took apart. We got a lot of new parts for the front end, the brakes and things like that. So I'm going to take you down there and show you what we got going. Here you can see the frame and the front end that we've got put together so far. The frame, this middle bar here, the upper and lower control arms and the springs, and these bars right here that connect the knuckles to the steering assembly were all used from the original Nova. We just took them to a powder coat shop. They cleaned them and powder coated them. Most of the parts we used a textured satin black that you can see here on the frame. And then the parts that we have back here with the steering knuckle and the centerpiece for the steering assembly were a smooth satin black. And on each side over here, we've got an entirely new brake system put in. We use a KYB shock for the suspension over here. That's an air shock inside of this spring. Then for the brakes, we went with the Right Stuff disc brake conversion kit. So all of that in the brake system is brand new rotors and the shields along the back. So that's what we got on the frame and the front end so far. The next part of the project that we'll be working on is the rear end. So subscribe to the channel if you want to keep up to date and see those videos as they come out and follow along with this project.